Do you ever feel like you're working hard but your money isn't? What if you could put your money to work for you, a little bit at a time, without even thinking about it? That's the core idea of passive income, and a great way to start is with an app like Acorns. Acorns is what's known as a robo-advisor. It's designed to make investing simple and accessible, especially if you're a beginner. The app automates the process of saving and investing small amounts of money, so you can build your wealth in the background of your daily life. So, how do you use Acorns for passive income? It's all about three key features. First up is the most famous one, roundups. This is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it tool. You link your credit or debit cards, and every time you make a purchase, Acorns rounds up the spare change to the nearest dollar. For example, if you buy a coffee for $2.75, Acorns takes the extra 25 cents and puts it aside. Once your roundups reach $5, that money is automatically invested into a diversified portfolio of ETFs. You're literally turning your small purchases into passive investments. Second, you have recurring investments. While roundups are great, they're not always enough to build significant wealth on their own. This is where recurring investments come in. You can set up an automatic transfer of as little as $5 a day, week, or month. This consistent, disciplined approach is a powerful habit for wealth building, taking advantage of a principle called dollar-cost averaging. It means you're investing a fixed amount regularly, which helps smooth out the ups and downs of the market over time. Finally, there are the Acorns Earn and Found Money features. This is a bonus layer of passive income. When you shop with one of Acorns' partner brands, a bonus investment is automatically added to your account. It's a form of cashback, but instead of getting a few cents back on your card, that money goes straight into your investment portfolio to grow over time. It's a nice little boost for your investments, all for buying things you might have purchased anyway. By combining these three features, roundups, recurring investments, and Acorns Earn, you can build a consistent, passive system for growing your money. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about a slow and steady process where your money works for you, giving you a chance to build real financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.